Hi everyone, it's Mary and welcome back, and today we'll be making this here. We are making a mini album, really quick and easy. This one I made for my son to capture his recent Disney trip for his graduation, and it's really quick. And there's even a gift card or money that you can put in here, and just a very cute, very quick project. All right, so I've already made the measurements or made the cuts just because it's a bigger cutting tool I had to bring in here. So I've made the cuts, but here I'll tell you what the score lines are. And first and foremost, I'd like to give the credit to Camelia Craft Designs. This is her original measurements, and I really appreciate it because it's so efficient. She did not waste any paper at all. She maybe wasted like maybe 1/8 of an inch. So this one here, this paper measures 8 1/4 by 11. So you just have to take the 8 1/2 sheet and shrink it down to 8 1/4. And the measurements or the score lines here will be scored at 3, 3 1/4, 6 1/4, 6 1/2, 9, and 9 3/4. And with that said, once you have your sheet like this, a whole sheet, what you're going to do is you're going to cut it, and you're going to cut this piece here at 2 7/8. So then you'll have this piece here, and then now we're going to make the little flaps here. She calls it the waterfall flap, which is really nice because it kind of folds in itself. That fits pretty comfy in a video, so that's why I did that. But with this one here, if you can see the score lines that we just made, we're gonna consider these are hinges, so we're gonna cut on the second line for our hinges. And so let's go do that. Just gotta measure, make sure it's on the line. The same for this. And this one here, she did mention, this little piece here, she did mention it would be like the gift card pocket in the end. So now we've got the bigger piece here. If you can see, there's 2 little score lines here, and then a bigger gap here. So this one we're going to cut here, again at the hinge on the second score line. And this will make our second pocket, or our fourth pocket. Not pocket, our fourth flap. So, and then this is the base. This is what would be the base. All right, so let's put our base there for now. And then this one, since it has a hinge, we're gonna again cut it at 2 7/8. So now you have 4 waterfall flaps. And then with this one here, we're going to cut out the hinge. Let's see. Yep, we're going to cut out the hinge. And this will be it could essentially be the other pocket. So you can have 2 pockets on the side. All right, so let's put this aside. And let's pretty much